Hey, shalom, man. It's Captain Tazaryak, man. We wrapping up the Wake Up Call, which was a bad weekend, sponsored in part by our sister Tazarapath. Red Pill was doing the filming. Umar Johnson spoke today. Yeah, brother BenX. She had tons of brothers and sisters that came together for the sole purpose of waking black people up. I was doing an interview earlier, and the brother asked a question like, what are we looking at with the past 5 years of seeing growth in black awareness, so to speak? And I think black people are finally getting out of the mysticism that civil rights brought, or integration brought, or that I Have a Dream by Martin brought. So events like this could bring us together where we can start building bridges where even though we have our creative or ideological differences, we can at least start coming together and then start breaking those barriers down, and that's what this represented, man. It was an excellent turnout. I'm glad I was able to be here today.
Sure. All right. Shalom,
All
brother.
off the fly.
Yeah. We are wrapping up this weekend. We want to know from you, Brother Rizza Islam. Talk black to me about what this weekend meant for you. This is the Wake Up Call weekend in New York City.
Yes.
Let's you know, because they say it's not how you started, it's how you finish it.
That's right.
So let's wrap it up in the timely, you know, and only the way that you can with them facts.
Yes, I'm just doing it this way really quick. Be the change you want to see, the wake up call. We were called, we waking up, be the change, meaning we have to set the example as to what it is that we push to call into reality. Brother Dr. Umar and myself showed a demonstration of unity. We all demonstrated unity on Friday night. The Moors, Hebrew Israelites, Nation of Islam, Christian ministers and pastors, etc. Black, brown, red, and yellow, and even some poor white was around here picking up some trash. So just understand this. Be the change, meaning we have to call into existence and make it manifest in physical reality. That's what's going on. If you're not with it, you will get ran over. Sorry to say that, but it's unity over everything. Facts!
Remember, I got your bag. I just thought you wanted to sit down for a minute. First off, yeah, all right, I'll send you.
Except for this right here.
Nah, don't do this again. You and I, we just had
Yes, sir.
That's the problem we got.
Yeah, right.
Nah, I ain't want to hit nobody's children. I don't want to hit nobody's kids. You know how that go. People get crazy. Kids running from the car. Nah, he was beating his horn, being extra out. My brother.
All right.
Red Pill.
We're wrapping up this event, y'all. Talk black to me, y'all. How was it?
In
How was?
Hempstead, beautiful to have this beautiful panel of brothers come out here and share this wisdom in Hempstead, New York.
We in the hood,
Terrace
right?
Avenue. Out of all places.
Explain what Terrace Ave is.
100 block.
Peace to Brother Rizza.
That's it. Peace to Rizza. Peace to Ben.
There you go.
Brother Eugene here. Big Ron here. Brother Kazim Muhammad here. We just signing in. My man Red Pill.
The legend right here.
I have to walk in.
Yes, sir.
On the legend.
Yes.
I show up when I'm called.
That's right, King.
I love that.
We broadcasting live. We letting the world know that we kicked off a very highly successful weekend.
Yes.
We're here to report that the seeds have been successfully planted in Strong Island,
Yes, sir.
part of Kings County. People don't know that.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, this is a part of Kings County. It's Brooklyn, Queens, and Long Island combined makes Kings
It
County.
used to be one thing. Yes,
That's
sir.
right.
That's
But
a
now,
fact.
we bringing that energy back.
Wow.
So
That's a plus.
we're in a high risk neighborhood. The best place to plant the seeds is where in the murky waters where the lotus flower is.
That's right.
So here we got Rizza repping that red and the blue.
You already know.
You know what I mean? Doing the good work, frontlining it.
right.
How was this weekend, my good brother?
Magnificent, brother. Magnificent. Unity is all around. Unity is exactly what it is, and unity is what it will forever be.
That's
Very
right.
Simple, plain and simple. We're gonna make sure that is the reality between everybody, religious and every other group.
All right.
That time.
Peace. Yes, sir.
And we got Red Pill Legend out here, man.
That's right.
Can't get no better than that.
You already.
Blue Pill, peace. We
All
out
right.
here.
We're here with the young legend.
The legend.
Hey man, if y'all wasn't out here, man, I feel sorry for you. All the information that I got is gonna be on blackonthemand.tv.
That's right.
Tune in to all of the major black conscious channels, and always focus on self-improvement. I don't care what your religion is, focus on self-improvement because all of us got problems. I don't care how clean we look in our suits. I don't care how pure we look in our dresses. We all have problems individually. So focus on those, have a plan and a strategy, and make sure that you're working on that every day.
That's
If you
right.
do that, you're on your way to being a God family. Have a
That's
black
right.
fantastic day.
All right, Blacktastic.
And you said something about a dirty glass of water and a clean glass of water.
Peace, y'all. We wrapping up this weekend. Can you let the family know online what this weekend was about? And you know,
oh yeah, man. This weekend was about black empowerment, bringing a message to the people to actually do something. You know what I'm saying? We always come together, we march. You know what I'm saying? When things are happening, we're trying to actually come together and try to stop these things from happening. You know what I mean?
Dope.
Starting from the babies, man, and bringing it up. We're fortunate to be in the age of information, man, and we came up in it. So like we're able to give it to our babies, and this is the perfect thing. There was so many kids out here, man. You know what I mean? People
soaking
in their
it up,
windows.
yeah.
There was people in their windows getting this message, man. Red Pill did, his thing the other day too. He probably not telling y'all that.
Oh.
He did his thing too. Good job, man.
Yes.
Yeah, it was
You
amazing,
already.
man. Unity, that's what it's about.
Indeed.
All walks of life at the other thing, ideologies coming together for one cause. You don't really see that often. You know what I'm saying? Whether it's a debate all the time, you know what I mean? It's negativity, it's cursing out this motherfucker athlete ain't doing this nigga over here. No.
Yeah, all that rambunctiousness.
Yeah, that's not even needed at the end of the day. That's like unwanted energy, but it was definitely great.
Dope.
Black empowerment. That's what it was for me, man. I mean, I'm coming away from Dallas, Texas.
You a legend.
I'm out here to see some of my brothers, man, that I've been following you guys for a long time. Man.
Dope.
Finally get a chance to, converse and meet y'all. And it was all about solutions. I mean, we got some solutions on how to fix the problems, how to reverse the irreversible.
That's right. How to reverse the curse.
Absolutely. So definitely gratifying, man, to be here.
Salute to you, King. I appreciate you for pulling up. Once again, as you already know, this is just the beginning of something that is continuous. This is a continuum. It only grows, Yeah, get better. All right.
Yeah, please.
What's that you holding there, bro? You popping bottles out here?
We popping bottles.
You got that brown?
We taking shots out here, but it's health
What's
shots.
good? That's Douce? What's that?
Only health shots, man. Take a look at this.
Wow.
Multivitamin.
See how? You see what you see? Look, we went from drinking them 40 ounces to giving you 40 ounces of health and wellness. You understand? So if y'all fixated with holding bottles, you can still hold them. Just have some life in the bottle.
I mean,
you can still pop bottles.
You can relieve your stress. You can have a good time, but you can build yourselves instead of killing yourselves.
Give them your IG,
That's
King.
it. My IG is Movers Elixirs or The People's Herbalist. Both of them. Come follow me. Check me out. Send me what you need, and I'll fix you up.
That's
Got
dope.
the herbs, baby.
You already. Beautiful. Peace, King.
I just wanted to give you
Okay.
my card.
Yes.
Quest Nutrition Network, Jabari Quest.
Jabari, yes.
You know what I'm saying? And this is it's a calendar.
Oh, excellent.
You know what I'm saying?
Let me
So-
throw it on IG for the family.
So good looking out. And I just want to get a quick video clip.
All right.
I could throw on my IG and you just say, yo, shout out to Quest Nutrition
Let's do
Network.
it. Let's do it.
For real, I appreciate that.
Check out the good brother. Packaging is tight. Presentation is tight. You know what I'm talking about? Business card, everything. Brochure.
Yeah,
The logos are consistent.
that's right.
You know what I'm saying? He gets an A+.
That's right.
And for the Better Business Bureau. But that's important.
Peace.
Yes. Peace
All
to
right.
the family. You
Peace
already
to
know
the
what it
family.
is.
Jabari Quest over here with the brother Red Pill.
All right. Salute.
All right.
You
Salute.
already know health and wealth, knowledge of self.
That's
Hawks,
right.
Facts 2020.
That's right.
We're here
That's
giving
right.
the people the cure,
Yes.
doing what needs to be done.
Absolutely. It's
Yep.
all about Quest Nutrition Network. Shout out to the brother Red Pill.
Yes,
you did your
indeed.
thing.
You already.
Did your thing, you know what I'm saying?
Salute.
So we
You
salute.
already.
It's
Yes,
all about
indeed.
the health of the people.
All right.
All right, family. Peace.
All right. Yes, sir. Good looking. What stones? This is mostly quartz. We tapping out, y'all. It was a powerful weekend.
No doubt.
We just leaving the family with some words. How was this weekend for you, Sister Tazarapath? I mean, if there was an MVP for who was driving that ball to the hole,
I was clutch.
yeah, you was clutching
I was
it.
Reggie Miller clutch.
You was,
last
you was
last
on,
30 seconds, three
you
point
was on your
shots. clutch.
Kawhi. You know what I'm talking about? You was bringing you was driving it home.
I just want to say that it's just been an epic weekend. Just being around so many great minds and great ideas and brothers that's really ready to put in the work for the ideas, not just talking about it. I know the difference. I've been around brothers that just like talking, and I've been around brothers that just like doing. And the just like doing brothers of this weekend were pretty awesome to be around. So I'm just humbled and excited for what's to come from this.
That's what's up. What about you, Pop?
It was put together, but it was organic, and it felt like it.
That's right.
I like how we are actually building a collective rather than just saying we are the collective. The people I talk to today, I'm planning on talking to tomorrow and the day after that.
That's
I
right.
want to actually build. Everybody think about networking. That network is important. You know, we got the network program, so we actually gonna change lives today, and it's gonna start with these moments. This type of shit gotta happen.
That's right. That's what it is. There you have it, family. You heard it from the
I'm a DM you. Make sure you enter my DM.
the brother Umar's right there.
You're not leaving. You hanging out.
All right. We're gonna tap back in, family. All right. Talk black to me.
Anthem on the track.
Get the certificate of occupancy so we can start doing.